Good morning, Monday, April 21st, 2025. We're out here at Falls Creek Park, over the creek. We got a lot of rain last night and just checking out the water levels. My name is Mark and there is Aldith. Water level's right where it needs to be, and it sounds real soothing. If you like this video or any of the other ones we put up, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. This is all this channel, but we'll be both putting videos up on this channel. So hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.